Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got something new. Like I've been saying in my last previous videos, I'm going back to 9hash, and today we're gonna do some tests because I really want to make sure what I'm gonna do is my next step, and I'll be available for what we're gonna do. So on this video, we're gonna go through to everything I'm gonna do to going back to 9hash, from getting the software and put onto the PC. Probably that PC have the software we're gonna do the test, and I'm gonna see the power consumption version whatever do it, and how much profit I've been making it, and what it's gonna be my average profit for the next 24 hours. And I'm gonna do an update video for that, and all this gonna be going on after a fresh intro, and I see you over there. Alright guys, so we are back, and I think I already got the 9hash software installed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over this, and we're gonna do everything we need to be doing, and I'm just simply gonna launch the software. I wanna see how much we can be able to make in it, and I got my 9hash over here. Probably gonna need to be updated, something like that. And we got everything loaded right now. Okay, we're just gonna wait for everything to coming up, and let's see what we're getting out of these ones. Okay, so we are 9hash, and say we can start mining, and we're gonna go over that. Okay, like we got a lot of noise right now. Sorry about that. That's the CPU, and the rest of the card they're doing benchmark. Let's see, MSI 37 is 120. 3060 is doing that many, and look like this one is okay. Device. For the moment, we're not gonna use the processor. Okay, and we're gonna go to the dashboard, login, setting. Oh, you can see my one address. Trade, disable job. Today connection is power mode setting. Okay. Okay. Let's find media. Okay, so the electricity cost average is point. Let's see, our electricity cost is I calculate that to a cent, so let's do it to okay. Yeah, compound on this one didn't work, so it's doing this one, so we just remove that one.
Let
me see how much power this thing is throwing out. Wow, it's draining. Okay, so we got 4 of 20. This one. We got some get done right here. We got compound during that one. Okay, doing almost 7 mega hash on compound that one. Okay, not bad. Alright, this is the thing with NiceHash is even you see some of the compound algorithm fail, it doesn't mean it's not gonna do compound. It just depends on the miner they're using it for what they're using it. Second miner won't work with that card, but other miner will work with that card. I just wanted to make sure to clarify that. That's why you guys see error during the bear match, and that's why it's gotta go through 2 different ones, because some of them gonna be doing beans. Bean probably gonna work in one on the other one. I probably won't work on the other one. So that's gonna be the difference between each one. NiceHash does and the M, and that's something you gotta do to everything. And it's because the process take a little time. Sometimes take depend how many benchmarks it need to be done. That's how much you'll be able to mine, and this is how this coming back up to me. Now let's go to the dashboard back. It's still not gonna tell me how much I'm gonna make in it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause this video right here, and I'll be back when this is getting done. Okay. Alright guys, we're back, and I let it sit for a while. You guys can tell by the time I got over here. It's been going for I think for like 15 minutes. You also can hear the noise of the fans ramping up. And my power consumption right now is at 599. This is the device we got. Stop the CPU, and okay, so we got everything starting mining. Temperature still on display, no other stuff. We got 3 devices, and on this one we got 3060 Ti, and we got 1650. This one is doing compound, and this two doing multiple. Now I'm getting $9.06 out of those. What something I don't like is that, but this is the silver power supply is ramping up, and I'm getting out of multiples. I'm getting pretty good decent speed on those, and wow, power consumption is out of control. Wow. Okay, so we're talking about right here 210, 275, 218 is 493 plus 75. What is ventured on the bottle is completely fine. It's telling me exactly how much I've been using it. So we are 605 watts. I'm gonna be honest, guys. Test is failed. Not happening. Not going back to NiceHash. Until I can find a good configuration where I can keep it in the setting I want it into the NiceHash system, when they allow me to put the setting I want it, so I can configuration for each algorithm mine or each one of them, it will be fine. But into the meantime, I don't think I'm gonna keep doing it. I bring all my fans, they are over ramping. There's nothing wrong with this. I've been making let's see this. We got 600. This could, let's say we got 612 watts. So let's go to the map calculation. I'll try always to make this short video, but I can't make short videos. Sorry guys. So this is me. I gotta explain everything almost all the time. Alright, so let's bring this over here. I'm just burning 625 watts for 3 cards. Out of the wall. Just the card does not include the computer system and all that stuff. So no, sorry, it's yeah, 625. That multiplied by 24 hours, that's give me 15 kilowatt by 0.12. So it's not bad. I'm making out of them. Not bad. So a profit down minus 9.14. It's leaving me the 3K is leaving me with $7.34, and that multiplied by 30, so that give me $220 monthly on Bitcoin. That is at the current price of Bitcoin. So let's be honest, guys, this can go up, this can go up, down, up, down, up, down. So far it's kind of a real nice profit in the 9 hash right now. Can't complaining. Probably gonna have to thinking about, because that thing is a 600 watt. It's pumping up. It's not the fine for that card. Right now you got hair over there. And guys, thank you for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can keep seeing content like that. I go to every single the time. Probably nice day on the night. I have to clarify that from right now. I gotta find a way how I can get the night has OS and put over there my overclocking for each algorithm I wanted to mine. See what the test the computer does after this finish those tests. See what mine is available, which one is gonna use it, and what if I can go over there and modify the overclock. That's gonna be a very long video if I want to do it and show you guys. So we took a probably our video. I'm probably gonna, if I have to do our video, I'm gonna divide it in 10 sessions or 10-minute video, and I'm gonna load it day by day for 10 days straight. And guys, like I said before, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to go to my Discord and enjoy over there with everybody, where you can post your own video for your own channel too, if you doing a contest like us. And Gerald be tripping, he doing the same thing I want to do in it, to have other small contests over there. Also go and give a little support to No Crypto. He's also on the Discord with us. And guys, thank you for watching again, and I'll see you into the next one.